So here we have this outdoor folding table. Now this is the smallest size, but they all function the same way. The frame is made from a lightweight aluminum and the top is a medium density fiberboard. So it's rust proof and great for outdoors. To set it up, just undo the locks, unfold the table, put the legs in place, and latch it together. And then you can also attach this netting for more space. Now it has more legs that you can screw into the bottom to adjust the height all the way from 10 inches to 21 inches. So the only thing I don't like about this table is this metal strip in the center. I think it's needed to make the table fold, but now the top has a bump on it, which isn't ideal. Anyway, the table can hold 100 pounds, so it's sturdy enough to set some drinks on or play a few games of cards. And if you're going camping, it would also be a decent little table that you could eat at. So if you're looking for a portable lightweight table, then this is definitely one to consider.